If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and share. Is America waiting for the emergence of a super hurricane of the 6th category for the first time? Which hurricane draws its energy from that heat, as it uses it to feed its huge machine that accelerates its winds? American Press. For more than 50 years, the National Hurricane Center in the United States has used the Saffir-Simpson Scale for the clear dangers that may be inflicted on property in conjunction with the speed of the hurricane. But a creative research team from Berkeley University believes that it is now scheduled to modify this classification with a new category, expected, of hurricanes. According to the Saffir-Simpson Scale for classifying the temperature of hurricanes that can work to build wind speed, and other things should not be taken into account, such as the amount of rain or the height of the storm waves. The scale starts from the first category, where the wind speed is 119 to 153 kilometers per hour, and yet this speed is there damage to homes and trees, and a hurricane of this category may lead to continuous power outages. Category 5 hurricanes have wind speeds of up to 252 kilometers per hour, wreaking havoc on the neural network, completely arming homes and forcing residents to become complete creatures. But in a study in which BNAS participated, scientists question whether the open Category 5 is enough to illustrate the harmful risks that hurricanes may cause in the context of climate change, so they have introduced a hypothetical 6th category for the Saffir-Simpson wind scale, which includes storms with winds of up to 309 kilometers per hour. Hurricane extremes. Scientists note that there are three main factors that link climate change to the intensity or degree of destructiveness of hurricanes. The first of these factors is related to the rise in the temperature of the surface water in the world's seas and oceans due to global warming. What links it to hurricanes is simply that any hurricane draws its energy from that heat, using it to power its huge machine that accelerates its winds. Therefore, scientists have become certain that the higher the global warming, the more severe and rapid hurricanes we will be exposed to, because the ocean waters become hotter, and this may explain the increasing destructive impact of Hurricane Irma in 2017, which originated in an area of the ocean whose surface temperature is 1 degree Celsius higher than average. The second factor that intervenes in this relationship is related to sea level rise, as many studies indicate a close link between sea level rise and the degree of strength and catastrophe of hurricanes in many places, which raises the rates of horrific hurricanes that occur at a rate of once a century to become once every 10 years. In addition, there is a third important factor in this context, as the average humidity increases by 3% with every 0.5 degree Celsius increase in weather temperature, which means about 9% for the current global situation in which the temperature has risen by 1.5 degrees. This increase in humidity means a similar increase in the amount of rain falling during the hurricane, which causes unprecedented floods. Category 6. The researchers explain in their study that global warming caused by human activities has led to significant increases in ocean surface and tropospheric air temperatures in regions where hurricanes, tropical cyclones, and tropical cyclones form and spread, providing additional thermal energy for hurricane intensification. When the team analyzed historical hurricane data from 1980 to 2021, they found 5 hurricanes that were classified as Category 6. In addition to studying the past, the researchers analyzed simulations to explore how warmer climates affect hurricane intensification. Their models showed that as the Earth warms by 2 degrees Celsius above pre-industrial levels, the risk of Category 6 storms increases by up to 50% near Southeast Asia, the Philippines, and the Gulf of Mexico. Even under the relatively low global warming targets of the Paris Agreement, which seeks to limit global warming to just 1.5 degrees Celsius above pre-industrial temperatures by the end of this century, the increased chances of Category 6 storms are significant in these simulations.